How to load PDF file in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way which you can use and insert the PDF file in your Google Docs document. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs document, and if I want to insert any PDF file here, first we need to go in Google Drive. Okay, just just log in with your email ID. Of course you have already logged in because you are using the Google Docs. Now just go to the Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive is basically the storage facility of your all Google documents like Google Sheet, Google Form, and Google Docs. You can see here all file here. Okay, you can see your all documents in Google Drive only. Okay, so first thing, if you have this PDF file in your computer, then you need to just go here and go to the file upload and find that file in your computer, upload it. So it will be start upload and you can see that file here. Okay, so this file I have just uploaded. Now just right click on it and go to the share, again, and here you can see the option general access. We need to make it anyone with this link. Okay, and make it viewer. If you make the editor, then people can edit your document, and commenters they can suggest the suggest the changes on your document. Okay, so I suggest you make viewer only, then copy the link. Now go to that documents and paste this link here. Okay, so in upper section you can see this option. You can simply click the tab or click on here, then your documents will look like this. As someone navigate cursor on it, it will be show like this. If click on it, it will be open in new tab and people can see that document. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.